All right, families and friends. We all know TikTok is back, and if you don't know, it's back. Thanks to an appeal put in by Donald J. Trump, the United States President, TikTok is up and running. But I man want enough to overstand that the man that got TikTok banned is on your stream. Yes, I'm talking about Jonathan Greenblatt. Yes, this man right here is the CEO of the ADL, Anti-Defamation League, and because TikTok was being used by young people to expose the genocidal act of the Israeli government, the Israeli army against the Palestinians in the West Bank and in the Gaza Strip. And America had no control over the censorship, the ADL, and the powerful lovers of Israel and the IDF petitioned the United States Congress to make TikTok go black, go dark in the United States. You see, media and the control of media is very important. So because the powerfuls of the United States, Israel, and the regime of supremacy, the one that tried to suppress your voice, your sight, your breath, your intake of sunlight and water, especially 4 or 5 years ago, the time of the world pandemic. Here they go again. Yes, this is the man that with his constituents or his powerful backing in the United States, because you know AIPAC is the one that lobbies Congress and put in a lot of their policies. Now the Anti-Defamation League should be working on preventing defamation when they're the one that's causing the most defamation. You can't speak your mind on certain group. You can't speak your mind when you see another country committing obvious genocide and war crime against innocent children, women, men, that has nothing to do with the terrorist group that they're targeting. They have superior military that they can, in what I would say, invade in a more humane way instead of just flying over and dropping 2,000-pound bombs on the place, basically making Gaza and the West Bank inhabitable. Now, as people worldwide, from the ICJ, the ICC, and human rights activists, has spoken out against the demolishing of the Palestinian people's homeland, the ADL and other groups, seems it's their duty to hide the genocidal ways of these people. So they have petitioned the Congress that they control, the American government that they control, because these people is the epitome of what you would call the promotion of white supremacy. Because there's no brown nor dark-skinned people that's promoting the genocidal continuation of these people. So I just wanted you to see the face of the people that are trying to block your voice, trying to block your eyes, have blocked out how much air you can breathe last 3 years and has blocked out how many sun you could consume with their mandates. There they are. And when you speak about them, they'll block you, censor you, and call you names. Well, you know, I am a Rastafari. I am a Rastafari. And anyone that looks like me really don't care about what you name them or call them, because we know who we are. So I just wanted to let you see this. Jonathan Greenblatt, yes, the head of the ADL, this is the man. Happened to be an ish man. Your Aganti happened to be one of those ish men that lobbied with the help of with APAC and the help of million and billionaires to try to shut your voice down because they did not want the people to see. You see, when the Russia war against Ukraine started, the first thing the Biden administration did was block Russia TV. There's no international journalist that can go into the Middle East to document so the people them can see. We have to just consume what these ish people say we can consume. They tell us what we see is a lie. They tell us what we hear, witness, feel is a lie. So they're telling you, listen to them. Don't listen to your lying eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here, Deep Roots TV. I just want to let the world know what's really going on with TikTok. It's not about no Chinese misinformation and spies and copying and tracking people and data. It's about that the United States government were not able to censor the content that was coming out of Palestine that was showing that these so-called God people, these so-called supreme people of the earth, are as evil as anyone. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Hit that red subscribe button, beg you a follow. Leave your comment on this particular one. Yeah. Let me know what you think. These ish people think that they're the chosen ones. These ish people act like that's not racism. Worldwide racism. So they get a pass to try to wipe out the past. But you can't wipe out everyone. You cannot kill the truth, because the truth will rise to the top like the cream of the crop. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning to the Rastaman channel. Hit that red subscribe button. Burn a fire. Fire.